So this is what's up, TT gang. We back with another video. So today I got a title squishy maker. Sorry for all that noise. Let's use this. I don't care about the instructions. Okay, but my squishy get it out. Wow. Squishy. It comes in this little container. I swear, if this not sticky, I'm gonna be mad. Why is it not sticky at all? This thing is not even nowhere near sticky. I like this one. We got the clear jelly bottom. Oh look, this one not as sticky. I'm taking this out. I'm supposed to fill this up for here, I guess, and then take it up, then take it out. So I'm doing this pink hair. Okay, I'm trying to open it. Can you help me? This is my favorite one though, cause it got the little paw. And look, I think I'm keeping this one like this. I'm keeping this one like this. It's all cute and it gets the little pink thing. Get the light. Ooh, I got this bow. Oh, I don't know, I don't. Has her support in. What the one I said I was gonna put in there? Oh, it's already in there. I think I was supposed to shake it up. I didn't look at the instructions. Cause I love title squishy and I thought it was gonna be super sticky, but it's actually not. Okay. There's hair everywhere, Ma. This is how much hair I got on my hand. Ooh, I think I gave this one too much hair. Look at this, Ma. It don't even look like a heart no more. It's complete hair. Huh? Oh, it's super stretchy though, look. It's super soft too. But I'll keep this one clear. Let's go with the lollipop. Now I'm dipping the lollipop. Well, can you give me the scissors? Yeah, that's okay. I always use these, even when I open a popsicle. Get some white powder. I'm super careful with these scissors. It's a little bit of silver. where your mom don't have no money. Yeah, I never had a restaurant. Don't put it in there. What is this one? I never seen this. Oh, it's the heart. Uh-oh, my little lollipop. I think I might like my lollipop like this, but still getting some hair. There's another one. One more bag. Oh, that came out easy. And it came out easy. Yellow. I want a lollipop. What color should I do it? Ma, you come here. You come here. I said, can you come here? I'm just asking you because I'm trying to see what color should I do my lollipop. I got the color white, purple, blue, yellow, and pink. Going for purple, but I don't know. And this one's just super soft and super kind of nice. It's in the bag. In the bag. I'm sorry. It's super soft and yellow. Get everywhere. That's the only one I'm keeping like this, and I'm keeping this gel one. The gel one is too cute for me. Okay, I'm just going to color purple. I'm gonna get a little white in there, and then get a little blue in there. I'm gonna get a little yellow in there. I'm gonna get a little pink in there. This is mine. I just have actually like dip it to the. You can have it colors. Oh, so cute. It's nice. When the pattern starts to show up, makes it nothing go with something. Hey. I don't think you're ready for the takedown. It's innocent and it's so obvious. It's so obvious. It's a takedown. Oh, while I'm talking about some takedown, I got It's a Takedown poster. Every squishy bounced off and hit my thing. It's so sticky. Oh, that's my favorite one. It's so sticky. What? I'm gonna show y'all. I'll put you in your place and riding with it. When your patterns start to show, it makes you want to go with something. Hey, I don't think you're ready for the takedown. It's so obvious. It's so obvious. It's a takedown. So obvious. It's so obvious. I won't pick it up and take it down. Oh. Mom, you know what's so crazy? Look what happened to it. Look what got on it. As soon as I let it go, the horror got on it. This is the movie I love. I love it. It's just a lover. I'm keeping this one like this, Mom. It look cute. As soon as I said that, hair got on it, but it looked cute and clear like that. I never put you in you. I'm gonna sing this song. I'm gonna pick it up and take it down. Oh, take down. Oh. It's a take down. I'm gonna take you up and ain't gonna stop. It's a take down. I'm gonna take you up and ain't gonna stop. How can you help me post this? Can you help me post? I'm gonna tap. I'm gonna put you in your place and the bottom with it. When the patterns start to show, it makes me hot and nuts and growing something. Hey, yeah. Wait, hold on. Let me see that real quick. I'm rolling real quick. So obvious. So obvious. It's a takedown. So obvious. It's so obvious. I'm gonna pick it up and take it down. Ooh. I'm gonna put my finger in every powder. See the powder that's a little squishy. Most definitely. Nah. It's not too thick. And purple. Squishy. I think that's what it's supposed to do. But the soft red. Like too thick. And plus too sticky. And instead of squishy no color, I'm just gonna dip it a little bit. I can't just clean up like it's stickier. I'm gonna put you in your place and then riding with that. When your patterns start to show, it makes me put the muck and go and tell my head. It's literally sticking. I don't think it's ready for the takedown. So obvious. It's so obvious. It's a takedown. I'm washing it off. I'm washing the color house. Make it even stickier. It looks so cute. Y-M-C-C-C-C-A. Y-M-C-A. 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 Since I want mine, got a squishy. Don't live on the into this video because that's why my brother was oh, Tina, get your power. Oh, thanks somebody. Why you wasting on this today? Like, I ain't like nothing. What's this shit? Like, I told you I'm not to finish. I told you I can do that. And then I ain't gonna be running nothing. Boy, it's this one. I don't know what's here. Oh, jeez. I think it's cold. Never said it's cold because I'm hot. And then after it's super clean, you get a nap. You have to get a napkin. You get the napkin, put the title squishy in there, and dry it off. After done, it should be nice and sticky, but first you gotta try hands off. Hands right off. It should be sticky now. See, I'm over your feet, so sweet and cute. I put you in your place and riding with that. When your patterns start to show, it makes me want to man go and something. Hey, yeah. I don't think you're ready for the takedown. so obvious. It's so obvious. It's a takedown. Standing around the center and so obvious. It's so obvious. I'm gonna pick it up and take it down. I'm finna dip this bowl. Okay. I'm finna dip this bowl with some hair. I'm gonna just get all the crust off of this. I gotta take a little bit of every piece I got over here. So we're gonna really don't touch this. Put that in there. Grab some blue. Put a little blue in there. Grab some. And put a little pink in there. Grab some yellow. Put a little yellow in there. Grab some purple. And put a little purple in there. Now, just grab this and shake it up. Check it up. You got a piece of every color in there. Like, it's not going to this far. Open it. Okay, the first thing is this. No powder out. Okay. You can see mostly yellow. Yellow too chunky. Stuck my whole clear. Got some of everything in there to make it that color I want for me. Which is purple. I gotta drink a lot of purple. And mix that up together to make this ugly. Ugh. It's not ugly, it's super cute. I'm gonna put a little in everything. Even in blue. This is my favorite color. I'm gonna mix it up. Shout out to Zoe. This is my friend from kindergarten, that's named Zoe, but she get on my nerves. Yeah, I didn't say that. Pepsi. Oh, I just glop it up. Some big chunk of nothing. I'll put this ugly color in here and paint the bow. Right. This is an ugly color in here. I'll put the bow in and then the buckle. Like the bow. Oh, what about the bow? I was like, oh, it's such a pretty color. I didn't want to get in the pot. Yeah, I don't want this ugly color. I'm gonna have to get it today, but biggie. You made me come out super ugly dinty in this ugly brownish color. I knew you would make me come out super ugly and crusty, like you got a lot of hair on me. And right now I'm super squishy though. Don't squish me like that. But I said don't squish me like that. I said don't squish me like that. I said don't squish me like that. Oh, now where are you going? Oh, it's so good. So, you're going to watch a video? Okay. I had to restart the video because, as you can see, it stopped working. And I'm making this thing. I don't know what I'm making. I'm just putting some soap in it. Honestly, I did my chicken in here and I could, but I'm gonna put a top on it so that I won't do this like this. The face thing came off. So this is the end of the video. If you like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. And I guess